Woo! Clap, clap, clap.
You're so cute.
Yay!
Okay, so in our town we have these bikes you can like rent for $1, and there's one in front of somebody's house right now. Normally they're just like scattered around the town, and one of these bikes are in front of somebody's house, and Courtney thinks he's gonna be really cool and go take the bike and plant it in front of my aunt's house.
No, I'm not gonna plant it for the house.
That's what you just said.
They've had this bike for 3 weeks. It's not theirs. It's a community bike.
So he's gonna pay $1 and put it somewhere else. I don't know why. He's really weird.
Taking the bike.
Guys, the suspense is real. He is like really pumped up
Taking it.
off his cold brew.
I'm taking back what's mine.
His cold brew.
You ready? Okay, you
I
gotta
feel
film
so
the house.
bad, this
Well, maybe you
innocent-
shouldn't film the house. I don't know.
Probably not.
You ready? Here we go. I got my scanner ready. Got my app ready.
Oh, my
Here we go.
neck.
Here we go. I don't care if...
Okay, we'll film in a second when he's on the bike. There he is. There he is. There he is, riding the bike of his dreams.
Sarah! Sarah, stop! Sarah! Sarah!
What?
I don't have any pockets. Can you hold this?
Sure. Just drop it on the seat. Is it hard to
It's
ride?
got a solar panel on it.
Is it easy to ride? Is it easy to ride?
As soon as I scanned it, it unlocked and I just took off.
Is it easy to ride?
Oh yeah.
Does it have gears?
Yeah.
Oh, jeez. Let's watch him. Six minutes, my ass!
I just did squats.
Huddy, you home? Hey, who's that cute boy? Pioneer Day Parade. It's the 24th of July today. We're gonna do some fireworks and just have a good time.
Come here, bud. Stand by.